Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Oh, I like this. You can hear all your lyrics?
Oh yeah.
Are those 8-inch?
10s.
10s. Okay, 4 10s. The
Neos.
CT Sounds Neo mid bass. Awesome.
Mats on
4-channel mats. What is this wired to? The 5K?
2 ohms. It's 2 ohm amp.
2 ohm amp. Okay.
But the amp, the sub is like wired down to 1.
It is okay. Sweet. So this is like a not blow through. 4th order bandpass.
6 on.
6th.
6 on 2 on 1.
2 and 1. Okay. Interesting.
It gets down to like 17 hertz.
Really? Oh wow. Is there a way I can get in here? Can see a little bit. Oh, so it has a port, and then there's like another port
Over there in the corner.
back in the corner.
Right there.
Yep, you can see it. Okay.
All the way around.
There you go. And then that's where the sub is.
The sub right there.
Right here. Okay. How many?
Just one.
Just one. It's a big box for one. I bet you just got bandwidth. Oh yeah. Carolina quad?
Yeah, Carolina quad.
Carolina quad, all right. And your name?
Tim Turner.
Tim Turner. All right. Have you metered it yet?
Last time I metered, I had an audio pipe 1600 on it. It did like a 145.
145?
At 700 watts.
That's efficient. 700 watts clamped. Sweet.
This right here is 16, 26 hertz.
16 hertz. Oh, you can play the 16s. All right.
Just ride around the street trying to get the bag. You ain't know what time it is. YG, what up? Big man, Monty Time, yeah. 20 back in the trunk of the load. Kid strip trying to fuck with them hoes. On the corner selling nothing but dough. Love life, we was struggling though. Sentimental when it counted the fall. You ain't never gave me nothing to hold. Freight trailer finna fuck up the road. $250,000, you ain't done it before. Me and Cuban link hugging the thought. Bernie nigga been 100 for sure. Ain't debit card 100 a month. Made 100K in front of the stone. Count up the money and go. Another play for like 30 or something. Chain worth like a birdie or something. Cali nigga where they murder for nothing. Yeah, still on the tough youngest. Pull up swerving a buggy. And they can be honest and tucky. If she bout some more to run it. That nigga ain't for nothing. I came up from nothing. Remember them days. Hey, kill all that rapping. I'm not with the fuckery. You can get hit with this cane. Crack over that bag. It's that shit you can only get from the bay. Wide car, 20 bricks in LA. How you bang, but ain't been in LA. Still slipping, I'ma keep it that way. I ain't freeze with a yeek in my face. Yellow tape, should've seen how they did it. 40 shells really eat up your face. Run the play, but no, he don't play. Make him say, Make him say, ay. Niggas know I'm on call. Get a homie a K. Told him make him say, Make him say, ay. Niggas louder, hey. Wearing suits on there.
That likes the lows. Is that what you wanted? To play them lows like that?
Lows.
I mean, like, you're not even unloading. It's just playing it. That sounds good. I appreciate that, dude. Wow. How's the highs? Do you have anything that plays a little bit higher notes, or is it more lows based?
No, they get all down to like, they can play all with like 50, 60.
Really? Oh, wow. Okay. It's an efficient box.
Yeah. That's 42 to 21 hertz.
Well, that's a good one.
Join us. She staying with you. bricks in LA. How you bang, but ain't been in LA. Still slipping, I'ma keep it that way. I ain't freeze with a yank in my face. Yellow tape, should've seen how they did it. 40 shields really eat up your face. Word to play. No, you don't. Just run around, dirty, trying to get the bag. You ain't know what time it is. Selling nothing but dope. Love life, we was struggling though. Sentimental with a count of the fall. You ain't never gave me nothing to hold. Freight trailer for the fuck up the road. $250,000, you ain't done it before. Big Cuba link under the throat. Bernie nigga been 100 for sure. Ain't debit card 100 or more. Made 100K in front of the stove. Count up the money and go. Another play for like 30 or something. She ain't worth like a party or something. County niggas where they murder from that. Still on the tough youngest. Pull up, swerving the bucket. If they can be honest, Kentucky. If she got some more than running, that nigga ain't for nothing. I came up from nothing. Remember them days? Hey, kill all that rapping. I'm not with the fuckery. You can get this cane. Back over that bag. It's that shit you can only get from the bank. Wild card, 20 bricks in LA. How you bang, but ain't been in LA. Still slipping, I'ma keep it that way. I ain't freeze with a yank in my face. Yellow tape, should've seen how they did it. 40 shields really eat up your face. Word to play, but no, we don't play. Niggas say, niggas say, ay. Niggas know I'm on call. Get a homie hit K. So the niggas say, niggas say, ay. Niggas love that hate. Yeah.
I appreciate it. Thank you, man.
Oh, yeah,
nice to meet you again, dude. That's good for one sub in all this space.
Yes.
That's what I'm saying. Was that your goal?
Yeah.
To be able to just be really musical, play all the notes, and you can hear it.
Everything.
Yeah, everything. Quality sound and just bandwidth for days.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. And what size alternator was it?
That's
stock alternator, really? Oh, okay. Efficient, man. Nice
I'm
to meet you, man.
I'm about to put a 370 in.
370?
Yeah, and 2 North Star 170 on battery.
Okay. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.